My name is Jennifer Kuyrkendall Griffin. I'm running for Suwannee County Judge. In today's installment of Scales, or Suwannee County Access to Legal Education series, a series I created in 2019, I'm discussing one of the simplest types of estates, which is disposition of personal property without administration. Some states might call it a small estate or something similar. The dollar threshold for what is allowed in a disposition of personal property without administration is pretty narrow. For most cases that I see, it comes down to whether the amount in question is less than what was paid for the funeral. Now, the actual statutory language is that no administration shall be required or formal proceedings instituted upon the estate of a decedent, leaving only personal property exempt under the provisions of Statute 732.402. Personal property exempt from the claims of creditors under the Constitution of Florida, and non-exempt personal property, the value of which does not exceed the sum of the amount of preferred funeral expenses and reasonable and necessary medical and hospital expenses of the last 60 days of the last illness. Common examples of claims made in this type of estate are Suwannee Valley Electric Co-op capital credits in our area, or a small bank account or a small insurance policy where no beneficiary is listed. Now, you may have noticed that I said preferred funeral expense. Now, that is not a typo in the statute. Preferred funeral expense is $6,000. The preferred aspect of it references the fact that the first $6,000 of a funeral expense is in a higher class of claim than, say, an unsecured creditor. The order of creditor claims is addressed in Statute 733.707. Funeral expenses include an actual funeral, interment, and grave marker expenses. This has been a broad overview of what disposition of personal property without administration is. Next week, I'm going to begin discussing a new statute, disposition without administration of intestate personal property in small estates. The dollar threshold's a little higher. If you found this information useful, or you know someone that could benefit from it, please like and share, and follow the campaign's social media. Do you have a particular topic you'd like me to address? Well, send a message through the campaign's social media or campaign website, and I'd be happy to film a video on the topic. Just remember that I can't speak about a specific case or facts, but I can speak in an educational manner and point you in the right direction for statutory authority. If you ever miss an installment of Scales, please visit the campaign website to see all of the videos that are available. And remember, on August 23rd, 2022, I'm asking you to vote for me, Jennifer Kuyrkendall Griffin, for Suwannee County Judge.